Hi, I'm Jeffrey Lynn Campbell, CEO and brand architect for Blaze Experts, a branding agency. No, not that kind of branding. The kind that ignites the flame for marketing your business and then keeps it burning for years to come. Every good brand has a logo, but not every logo has a good brand behind it, and that's a problem because people don't engage with you because you have a cool logo. They do business with you because of how well you communicate what you do and how you help them. We build brands. That's why I call myself an architect, and help you infuse it into all the ways you market your business. Websites, videos, lead generation, lead nurture, print, outdoor, and digital advertising channels. We accomplish that through strong communication, both visually and verbally, to ensure your message lands with your rock star customer. Whether you are big or small, we believe in impact over income, because when you build a brand reputation with real results, that resonates from greeting to goodbye, and the income follows. As much as we love to collaborate with our sophisticated larger clients, we adore working with small businesses, nonprofits, startups, and solopreneurs. Many of them DIY a large part of their marketing, so we like to do all we can to educate them and help them avoid the pitfalls of trial by fire. I think we can all agree that owning and using QuickBooks software doesn't make you an accountant. Well, the same is true for design software. You know, good design and bad design cost the same to print or publish, so it's better that you know the difference, and even perhaps what is wrong with a design when you see it. Enter the Blaze Guide to Demystifying Design. Whether you do it yourself or have a team handling it on your behalf, it's good to know the basics. From small space advertising to emails and video, this handy-dandy how-to will show you the ropes so you can apply the principles or critique what's in front of you with confidence, style, and flair. Get your copy today, and if you would like to refresh your brand, sizzle your style, or find a new way to communicate for your business or organization, we would love to help you set your brand on fire. We are Blaze Experts, and we build brands. Caution, contents may be hot.